Yo,
Yo, what's up?
uh, what's happening? Eh, What is
Your volume is low, then.
yeah,
Your volume is low, then.
mine?
Yeah.
Eh, How do you do this thing? I picked up my PC and music.
You said?
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, I'm saying what's happening here. This is US 30.
Yeah, it's yesterday 88. Alright, let's check it out. Me, I last checked this thing back then when we did this analysis.
Wasn't that CPI or NFP?
This was NFP. Yeah, NFP.
Oh yeah, it's been a minute, bro.
I think CPI was this one.
This thing dropped. Yes.
Yeah.
And a
What
lot, bro.
what time is the New York? There's the New York Open. It's 4:30 these days, ne?
It's 3:30. I don't know. Sometimes it moves, sometimes it doesn't. Go to 15. Isn't it the one that's happening right now?
Let's see. Nah,
Yeah,
not
it's
yet.
not. I vandaag maybe there's nothing there. Let me check.
Let's see how to work the current market there.
Let me check. This is H4.
Yeah.
Me, I thought that nigga was gonna give us two. Yeah.
Uh, you think he has money, the guy?
Thought they paid him there.
Yeah, he was playing that one.
Me, I was waiting for. I'm coming there to give you your dough.
The only time he hit me up, he was asking like, your investors, those ones, you need to talk. I'm like, I come.
What
Yeah,
does he
this
do
thing
with
already
investors?
broke out on H1, like from this zone.
This is zone.
Yeah. Let's see M15. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, there you go.
You can even make more buys now.
Yeah. But then I feel like 15:30 is going to come live a week here. I mean, 4:30. Let me check on Google, like what time does the New York stock market open?
I wanted to check that thing, bro. 24 hours. The current. Isn't it a frustrating change?
Let me check.
Uh, if this week is really no fundamentals, bro.
9:30 a.m. It opens at 9:30 a.m. and right now in New York it's let me check. It's 8:30, which means it's going to open at 4:30.
So first of all,
Yeah, which means an hour later.
because I used to ask myself, like, I used to see like niggas take trading day at 4:30. They'd make their money around 4:30 day.
That's when we should be in it day, making dough.
Yeah, this thing's clear, but I wouldn't have to. I wouldn't even have to analyze like a lot here.
Nah, today it's a simple day. There no analysis needed.
No fundamentals that I had.
Yeah, it's just a matter of waiting for volumes. Then you go with the direction.
But I'm yet still weep, bruh.
You would what?
I'd still weep.
Nah, there's going to be money today.
Because this candle, it has momentum.
This is a minor zone though.
Yeah, that one I saw it.
Yeah, so it means you can just watch out for sales. Let's see what Nasdaq is saying.
I'm sure Nasdaq is saying the same thing that one is saying.
This is 4 hour. Okay, let me just remove the old analysis.
Start from fresh.
Okay,
You know, you
double
see now.
bottom,
And it bought, bruh.
4 hour, but this double bottom is the one I want.
Another zone.
This was the first level.
And yeah, right there.
And this was the second level. Then now we just broke here.
Yeah.
These things are clear, dog. 1 hour.
Same thing.
Good to roll this thing. Buy. Buy Nasdaq. Buy US 30. Let's look at M15 for entries. Yeah, you see, there's the entry. Right here. Probably going to test a zone, so I can just put the entry at
This is
11610.15. You can put your pending orders there. Hi, bruh. We need to get pushing on this MT5 thing.
Hey, this guy is sleeping.
You what?
Gustavo.
Yeah? Can you hear me?
Yo, now I can hear you.
I was saying we need to start pushing on this MT5 thing. I'm tired of sitting down, bruh.
Just analyzing there with no pressing anything.
Yo, I need to push. Hard even.
Me, I wanna see the way this thing is going to buy, and the way it's going to. Isn't there a minor zone there?
We're like up there.
Yeah, on top of this one, out on top of the market current price, you see where it is now.
Let's look at M30. Even this.
Nah, this really, not really good.
Yeah.
Like, these are indices.
This year's 30, you can find out that it found a rejection here. Start selling. Let's look at M5. Aye. It's going to shoot up this thing. It's just retesting.
Me, I'd buy after a test, but I always say,
After a retest.
yeah, but there are some ones that don't retest. That's the thing. They break out and they end up shooting.
Yeah. Just like that.
But me prefer the retesting ones. But I know if I miss this chance, I'll get it on the retest. Then you're waiting for the retest. You're waiting for the retest. The retest doesn't come. It leaves without you.
Yeah.
Uh,
Nah, but they always say the market will never leave you. Be patient, they
Aye,
find you on the
it will
way.
come. If it left like a big momentum, it will come back to that place. If it left
I,
with a big momentum,
I want us
mm,
to look at thing, Abraham. GBP USD.
the currency.
Yeah.
What did you see?
Nothing, but I just want to give it my attention this year. Like more of it. Gives
Is that a
attention this
gap?
thing. No, it's GBP USD.
No, I'm saying, is that a gap?
No, it's just like it's the chart that's still loading.
But maybe.
Nah, these currencies they don't get gaps like that. The chat is still loading. That's why.
GBP USD.
Yeah.
Let me check it there on my phone. Ish. There's no gap here. Hey, but I checked this thing on day one, but on the daily, I said double top me.
Hey, I don't know what's wrong. Mine is still loading.
I see a nice double top and it's dropping, bruh. Hard. Hmm.
I don't know what's wrong with my chart. It's taking too long to load.
The GBP USD one. Hmm. So go to another. Go to gold or something, then you come back.
Now wait, let me analyze this gold pair.
This is H4. Hmm. When did you analyze this? Today?
No, hey, I forgot. I don't remember when. I think the last time I traded was the last time I analyzed this thing.
I'm sure it's during NFP there too.
Yeah, most likely.
Hmm. But it's pushing up.
Hey, God has been buying for a minute. And it's playing around my favorite price range of like 1921 there, 1919, like the 19 range, 190 to 2000. I like that price range, bro.
I'm just gonna go there to look with the, yeah. Is it two? What's the zone there? Up.
Now wait, hold on.
Yeah, ne? Is it?
For hour. Yeah, the daily was confusing me, so I had to use these things. The horizontal lines, I wanted to confirm first.
This thing has been pushing. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, that's a zone, baby. Yeah.
This one, let me leave it alone. This one, I'll do wrong things.
Which one's the top one?
Yeah. I feel like this thing is not going to retest the trend line or the zone. Let's wait and see though.
I think it's still good. I think it's still going to go up. This thing.
Yeah, because hold on, let me show you with the daily what I saw. Yeah, you see this, like it already broke a zone and it okay, wait, the zone is supposed to be here. Yeah, you see this. I feel like it already broke here, so now it's just retesting the gathering momentum, waiting for the New York Open. Then we should up. And if you look at it, this will be your next target. This one.
Yeah, that's why I was saying go there. I wanted you to go to that zone.
Yeah,
Is it
close to
two?
2000, 1984.
Okay. Yeah, that one's mine. It's your next zone there.
There's this thing that I studied, bro. I want you to check it, man. This always happens with gold. Let me get a clean chart of gold. Okay,
Called what?
let me show you this thing. No matter what happens, ne, it's going to always be the same every week that you get into. Yeah, you see this.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it has two lines, it means this is like a new week. This is like a Monday.
When it what?
When it has two lines, you see this one has two lines and this one has one.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it has two lines like this, it means like this was the beginning of a new week.
It's the beginning of what?
Of a new week. This was a Monday. This day, like this day.
Oh yeah. Okay. I hear you now.
Yeah. So like I want you to see. Let's give it like let's just take 8 weeks, right? This is 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5,
Five.
6, 7. Yeah, this is number 8. Let's start here. Yeah. Now I'm going with you see this.
Are we?
The first day, the Monday, this was the highest price on Monday.
Yeah.
Then this was the lowest price on Monday. This one.
Yeah.
So now we have confirmation that with the highest price we got on Monday and the lowest price that we got on Monday, if it plays around this price, it's consolidating, right?
Yeah. It's because it's between the yeah.
If it's consolidating, for us to get the direction, we check the previous week, like what was happening. Let's check. So it's coming from up, which means which means we can consider it a sell trade, this one.
Yeah.
So what happens is after every 3 to 4 days, ne,
Mm.
gold it changes its direction. They call them midweek reversals, but then gold completely changes the direction. If it was buying, it
And
starts selling. If it was selling, it starts buying. So here we're in a sell trade. You see, Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, things took a turn, started buying. We bought throughout the rest of the week. Do you see what happened?
that one.
We bought. Then we went to the weekend. We got into the new week, right? On the new week, this was the highest on Monday, and this was the lowest on Monday, right? But then we
Yeah.
sold. Do you see this sell? This was a Monday trade,
Hey, it sold, bruh, and I
which
had
which means the first trend we got this week was a sell, which means now we're looking for buy opportunities.
only
We wait 3 days or 4 days. Day one, day two, day three. And because we didn't see any activity on day two, usually what you're supposed to do is I should have said it here. Let me come here and say it to you. Which one did you? Okay. Or we used this one. Okay, sorry. When you get activity on day two, because obviously you have to
yeah.
trade, you have to show up every day. You're supposed to take like the highest price you see for that day only. You don't care about the lowest now because we already have a lowest, and this was the highest
From that
price.
other week.
So with this highest price, what you do is as soon as it breaks this price on the next third or fourth day, now you're starting to look for opportunities to buy. That's when you go to smaller time frames and stuff, study the chart. I'm sure like if you had gone to a smaller time frame, we're going to find this buy here. But then since we're just back testing, it doesn't matter. Let's come back to the new week. On Tuesday, we didn't find any activity. So what were we going to do? Take the highest price for Tuesday. Hold on. This was the highest price on Tuesday. This one. Then we go into Wednesday. As soon as it breaks, we start looking for the buy opportunities. Here came our opportunity.
Then
Then
you bought.
we went on an uptrend. This is day 4, day 5. Obviously, you'll be adjusting your stop loss. Even if you don't, this was just a retest of your entry point. Still shot up. But then this is a new week, so let's not consider that. And now the lines are too many. Let me remove the lines and start again.
They're making you be confused. Eh?
Yo, hey, now I'm seeing other things. Okay, now on this week we got the buys. We come to the
Yeah.
other week. On this other week, we got a nice, this is the highest price. This was the lowest price. Right there. Day 1, day 2, we got a break. But then what happened was we were in consolidation and we got a bullish break. This break was bullish, which means we're supposed to start looking for sell trades. Probably we're going to find them on this consolidation here. Boom, we sold the rest of the week.
And I had even.
Yeah, we closed the week. Let's go to the new one. Okay, let me just adjust this one. This was the highest, this right here.
For that week.
Then this was the lowest. So this is for swinging now when you want to hold your trades for the week, not for like one day. Yeah, now we're in the new week. Monday, highest, lowest. We broke on Tuesday, which means after this break, we look for buy opportunities. We got a nice retest. I mean, we were supposed to look for sell opportunities. Yeah, because we bought. That was the first trade. Which means from here, we are now looking for sales. Which means this whole time we are not phased. We don't care about where it goes. We're just looking for sales. I'm
And
sure
yet consolidated.
we're going to catch this sale nicely because if it was me, I was just going to do this along with the
Wait for
trade
break.
as it moving. You see, nice
And
retest,
you're
drop,
you're
go
gonna
out
grow like a
nice.
supply and demand.
So sometimes you'll be lucky and you complete your trades in one day. You see, like this was one day. But sometimes you need like maybe 2 to 3 days to complete your setup. That's when you swing. Right? Then we finish this week nicely. Let's go to the other week. This was the highest
New
on
week.
Monday.
And
And
it bought, bruh.
yeah, and this was the lowest here. But what happened? We got a first break, which was a sell, which means you're looking for buy trades. Right? Since we started by selling. And that's the first side we broke out to. Then which means like year after selling, we're looking for buys. Then boom, I'm sure you're going to get your buy trades here. I don't know how you're going to analyze. But then it went nicely there. Thursday, Friday, nice weekday.
Just from you just have to analyze and check there.
Yeah. Because all you need is to know, like on Monday, you're looking for the direction. When you get the direction, then you start analyzing, like going to smaller time frames or bigger time frames, whatever you do to get your setup, your entries and stuff. Then yeah, this was our highest on Monday. It even tested it twice. And this was the lowest on Monday. First trade we bought, which means we're looking for sales this whole week. I'm sure you could catch a sale here. You sold nicely there, went out nice, ate your money. Come back the other week. This was your highest. And this was your lowest. Yeah. First trade bought, which means what? We're looking for sales. This week we missed, bro. I'm sure it's because of these fundamentals, this NFP, right? Yeah, I'm sure this was NFP here this week.
Because it went up.
Yeah, it
What
showed
did
up.
NFP?
Yeah, this trade, I'm sure this was NFP. Let's check the date. Yeah, 12th January. Now this was NFP, I'm sure. Nah, this week we missed there. It means it's that week that you lose. You're losing week.
Yes, yes, another week.
Yeah,
But
then you come here.
we're on another week. Today's Monday.
Yeah, this is last week. We got this high and we got this low. The first thing we saw, which means we're looking for buys.
So you think we might, or I thought maybe you're gonna say we're
It
looking
did
for
buy though.
sales.
It did buy there. They did consolidated. So now let's see what we're going to look for this week. We
More
got this,
sales.
but then the day is not over now, which means you have to analyze like day around one day when the day is over to see what happened. Because so far this is our highest 1934. Then so far our lowest is let's check 1918.
1918.
Yeah. So it means like after the day is over and we've seen the direction, like the lowest and the highest, we've got those. Then we wait for tomorrow to see which direction we're going to go
What's
with the
happening?
market. Yeah.
Hey, you back tested this thing, ne?
Hey, but I backtested this thing, I think for the last like 2 or 3 days.
Then you saw a pattern.
Yeah, I saw a trend there. I'm now left with backtesting it on GBP USD. If it works on GBP USD, then I know it also works on currencies.
Go to GBP USD.
Away. Hey, but what's wrong with this chat, dog? Aye, let me open a new one.
Is it working?
No, dog. I don't know what's wrong with this broker, dog. Hey, we're to 10 minutes. I think this broker has a problem. I'll try fix this thing on currencies.
Yeah,
Maybe not
because
showing the currency.
everything is opening except that one.
Yeah.
I bet there's a nice double top, bruh.
He said on daily, ne?
Yo, I saw it on my MT4 on my phone.
Nah, let me keep it on one day so that I will remember the
This one is still nice. H1.
This year's 30.
But I want it to cross this minor zone too.
Nah, it's pushing up this one. I'm sure it's going to cross nicely.
I want it to cross over that minor zone there. But analyzing is not, doesn't take time, bruh.
Nah, no ways.
If you know what you're doing.
Simple things in there. The only challenge is information. Where to get the information. But once you have the information, then analyzing is easy, dog.
What's this? The right trend line here. I want to see if it will touch.
Let's analyze this gold, ne?
Okay. Eh?
I'm saying let's analyze this gold. Me when I'm analyzing gold, I like the H1, dog.
H1 because it's clear. I use H1 and H4.
Yeah.
H1 shows you the things which you don't see there. So another one.
Yeah, there's another one there. Okay. Smart Elite. Sorry.
Yeah, that's the one I wanted you to draw, bruh.
This trend line.
Yeah. Try touching it with this other one.
Do you see that?
Yeah?
Do you see this?
What's happening here, bro? There's a lot.
Breakout on M5 and the retest. Look at
Zoom in there.
Do you see M15?
I'm seeing it now, yeah.
Yeah, but we can have another trend line like this though.
And in our one.
Yeah. So which means like basically we are just waiting for it to break this zone. If it does, we sell. If it doesn't, then it means
we're going up.
Yeah, we're going up. It will be a third touch of this trend line, like 1, 2, then 3, and it goes up. So either way, we are waiting to see what happens there.
In all terms, you're playing the waiting game.
Yeah.
There's German theater on this thing, man.
I'm sure. Let me check.
I want to analyze that thing, but I like that thing, but
Dirty 30. Yeah, I have German 30.
I want us to analyze that thing, bro. I've never traded it from the.
It's just like Nasdaq and US 30.
Eh?
It's just like Nasdaq and US 30.
Yeah, and it moves to you.
Yeah. So this H4.
Yo. Hey, this thing has been buying. Yes.
That's the problem with indices, bruh. When they go a certain direction, they take too long to change that direction. Yeah, this H4.
It's gonna be moving this week. I saw it has fundamentals. Yeah, you see.
Yeah, this is the only time to end a trade. I feel like right now, it's risky to sell or to buy, to go whatever direction.
Yeah, because you don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, but we have what's it called? ascending triangle.
Okay, yeah.
This is the
I
wrong
bet
thing.
these things, man, these patterns, man, they help you, bruh.
This will be an ascending triangle, and this will be our area of confluence, which means whatever direction it's going to go, it's probably going to have so much momentum.
And it is, you'll get paid or you take an L big time.
Yeah.
Mm.
Let's see on this H1, let's see M15. This is right. Let's leave it like this to avoid confusion there.
Yeah, I've never traded this thing.
Oh, yeah, I had not seen this thing. Do you see?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yeah, which means there's a chance that it might break out this trend line because of this.
I'm
This
scared.
is touch number 1, number 2, and this was the third touch.
And hey, bro, check that candlestick top.
Yeah, proper correction there.
Yeah, when I hop on everything, I wanna master these things.
Now I feel like two or three setups are okay, dog. If you can master like GBP gold, Nasdaq, or GBP Nasdaq, and US 30, I feel like they'll be enough for you, dog.
Yeah,
I don't like trading so many things. You get confused because each
you,
pair has its own characteristics.
you just go everywhere with that. So silver, Bitcoin, indices, all of them, VIX. This
Imagine
thing is
now
too nice, man.
you have 21 pairs in your head.
But it's still
You
the
get confused.
same. Now still the same thing. We played the waiting game. Because if this thing drops in under your trend line, I wouldn't buy. I wouldn't sell.
Why? Because of that zone.
Yeah, exactly.
Nah, it's a minor one. That one is going to break easily. Because if you look here, it just came once. Then it went. Okay, it did reject though, but it was above the zone.
You see, so it's a chance where you can reject you.
Nah, but this thing has momentum. Look at the current candles, dog.
That's what I wanted to say right now. Like, yeah, but the candlestick that I see, it's coming with a lot of volume.
This doji is saying a lot of things, this one.
So we have to push to the downside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw what I wanted to see.
And it's left with less than a minute this meeting.
Mm.
I'll post it on YouTube.
Yeah, you did this one nice. It's too nice.
Bitcoin has been buying since, dog.
And when I analyze this thing today, dog.
Yeah, because I see an arrow there, which means we were in a bullish trade.
So we're right.
Yeah, long-term trade because this is the daily.